How to create a invoice for small businesses. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with building an invoice. So let's get into it. Now, sending an invoice is very important because it helps you keep track of all of your sales as well as provide accountability for the purchases that you have made or people have made from you. And creating an invoice helps you make sure that your brand looks established and creates a better reputation. So you can get started with building an invoice using Google Sheets or QuickBooks or any other accounting tool. There are several accounting tools available, and sending an invoice will make you keep track of all of the inventory you have. You would be able to better track all of the products you are selling, as well as establish your return and exchange policies. Now, to get started with building an invoice, first off, you're just going to go into Google Sheets. And once you go into Google Sheets, this is going to be your dashboard, and you're going to click on the template gallery on the top right. From here, you will be able to see there are multiple different types of templates available. So over here, you have a template called Invoice under the Work section. You're going to click on this particular template, and it's a very simple and easy to use template if you are not looking for anything too complicated, and if you're just running a small business, you can easily use this template. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is whenever you're sending an invoice, the words invoice should be really bold and large. The reason for this is you don't want your customers or clientele to just end up throwing your mail in the trash, to end up throwing their invoice in the trash, and then later on you would have issues with them not having their invoices and so on. So make sure that the invoice or the word invoice should be loud and clear. After that, it really doesn't matter if it's placed below the term invoice or above, but you want to add your business's full name, company's name, business or company, whatever you're running, then your full legal address that is registered with your business. So make sure to add your business name. Then you're going to add your, city, street, complete address for your business. And below that, you also always need to add your full contact info for your business. So this includes a number. And if you don't have a number, then you can add your email address. That is totally up to you. Now, below that, you have your submission date. So whenever your invoice is generated, you can add that particular date as the submission date. This can be automated in a lot of tools. However, on Google, you would have to do this manually. Now, after that, you have the invoice for. Over here, you're going to type in the other person's name and address. So whatever is your customer's name, you're going to type that in over here. So let's say our customer is Sarah. And then you have your payable to, which is going to be the name of your business. And below that, you have the company address, the street, as well as the complete address of your invoicee. Then you have your invoice number. So let's say this is 01. And then you can add the due date to when it's due, like this. Now, below that, you have a description of the products that this person has purchased, as well as the quantity, unit price, and total price. Now, in your description, you can always change it to items or any other word and start typing in the items that you have. And then you're going to adjust your pricing, and this Excel sheet already has the formulas applied for the total pricing to be changed. So let's say one person purchased item 1, which is now $1,000, and now the total price is this. Then you have adjustments added in this. This could be a sale. This could be taxes or deductions or anything you might owe to that other business. So you can add deductions over here as well. Now below that, you can just keep on typing more sections if you want to add more items. So let's say they bought other things as well. And like this, you're going to type in more items, and you can just go on ahead, insert cells, and you can insert cells down below. So in this way, you can get started with building your sales invoices. Now, this is just the manual method with Google Sheets. You can always do this with QuickBooks or any other tool. To do it with QuickBooks or any other tool, just go into these particular websites. So you can go into freshworks.com, you can go into quickbooks.intuit.com, and go into small businesses. Over here, click on invoicing, and you can click on start your 30-day free trial to get a 30-day free trial of QuickBooks as well. Over here, you can click on register for free, And you can get started with building your QuickBooks account simply with your email address. So this is our QuickBooks dashboard. We are going to click on Buy Now over here. And we're going to click on Buy Now, and currently they have a Cyber Monday sale. Now, you guys can see there are multiple different types of subscriptions available. You can choose to purchase whichever one fits you the best. So you can continue with the Simple Start one that is currently only $1 for 1 month. So you would only be paying $1 in the next 3 months. That's a total of $3. And other than that, their Simple plan actually does start from $17. So we're going to click on Buy Now over here to proceed with purchasing the particular tool. You can always use Freshworks as well. There are other free invoicing tools. However, keep in mind that if you go for a free alternate, you do actually have some limitations on the number of invoices you can generate. So as you guys can see, they have multiple different products on Freshworks as well. They have solutions for businesses. They have Fresh Chat, Fresh Marketer, Fresh Service, Customer All-in-One Suite, Fresh Desk, which allows you to interact with your customers, as well as Fresh Sales, which can drive your revenue. So we're just going to get a free trial of Freshworks over here. And what we're going to do is we are going to get a free trial of their entire suite, and we're going to sign up with our email address. Now I'm just going to continue on with Google over here to proceed with my account. And once you create your account on Freshworks or on any other tool, it's pretty much the same on most tools. We're just going to skip through our basic sign up questions. And once you have gone on to your tool, you're going to find on the left side, you have a tool panel over here. And once you do that, you will be able to see your AI, your support dashboard, conversation box, customer journeys, as well as FAQs, chat box, as well as marketing tools. Then you have some other tools as well, such as your marketing automation, support analysis, and more. Now, from here, we're going to go into our AI tool, and AI tools now on Freshworks and these kinds of project management tools can help you in easing up your invoicing. So let's say I want to create a sample invoice like this. So I haven't provided more details, so I can just search in my CRM, or I can just go into the second facet of Freshworks. So currently this is our Freshworks account. I'm going to go into Fresh Service. And you can go on ahead and start your free trial on that. And this can help you in building other items as well as invoicing as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.